Hello, creative coders. Welcome to our channel, Creative Coding. I hope you all are doing great. So, this is yet another episode of our series CSS MiniProject, and in this, we are going to be creating a Comet Preloader, which looks like this. So, basically, it is a preloader, and the thing that is rotating looks like a comet. Hence, the name Comet Loader. So this is what we are going to be creating in pure CSS. And if you're new to our channel, my name is Shikhar Bania. I'm an educator, mentor, and a web developer in Newton School. So let's talk about Newton School, shall we? So let's talk about Newton School first. Newton School is a platform which provides individuals a career in tech. It has courses specially designed for freshers, individuals, working professionals, and even women who don't have any knowledge in tech. Around 300 companies hire from Newton School, and Newton School also provides a pay after placement policy under which you don't have to pay anything to Newton School until and unless you are placed with a bare minimum of 5 lakh CTC. Sounds great, right? Let's talk about another initiative taken by Newton School called Launchpad. So, Launchpad is for those who want to start their coding journey from scratch. It has all the courses that you need to start a coding journey like Java, Python, data structures, JavaScript, Node.js, SQL, you name it, they have it. And the main advantage of using this Launchpad is you get a certificate of completion, you get a developer community, you got the best instructors to teach you, you also got a hands-on experiences, and you will become job ready. And all of this Newton School is providing for free. Yes, so don't forget to check that out. So here we are in the code editor, and I have written the basic structure of our HTML. The title is Comet Loader. Okay. So inside our body, I first want a div of class loader which will contain the loader content. Okay. Now inside this, I want another div of class, let's say Comet. So basically in our loader we want three Comet. Okay, so this one is the first one, and inside this I want a div, and let's say this class is circle. Let's close it. Okay, so this represents the first circle or the first comet. We want two comets, so let's copy this and paste it below. So this will be a second comet. Okay, and I think this is, yes, this is the whole HTML part of our comet. Now let's style this in CSS. You might have noticed that we can't see anything on the output because we haven't written anything in our HTML. We just declared or write some classes, and that's it. We just created some section on our web page. So let's style this in CSS. Okay, so let me adjust the screen. All right, so basically let's first target the body. Let's define the margin as 0, and let's change the background as hash 1f1f1f. Okay. Next, let's give it a height of 100 view height, display as flex, align items as center, and justify content as center. Okay, so we just use these 4 lines to center everything or center this loader div onto our web page. Now let's target the loader. Okay, and let's give it a height, a width of 20 em, a height of 20 em. Okay, let's give it a font size of 10 pixel. Position will be relative since it is the parent class. And let's also center everything inside this loader. So display flex, justify content center, and align items center. Okay. All right. Now inside this loader, we have a Comet class, and inside this Comet, let's first give it a position of absolute since it is a child class inside our parent class loader. Okay. And let's give it a border radius of 50% since we want the comet to be in circular. That's why border style will be solid. Okay. And we have to pass the animation since we want it to be animated. So animate, it will go for 3 seconds. The animation will be linear and the type will be infinite. Okay. So this is all just the what we can say, the adjustment part or the settings part. Okay, now let's come to the main styling part. Okay, so inside this loader we have the comet. So let's target the first child. Okay, so inside this comet, let's give it a width of 100%, height 100%. Okay, let's change the color to gold. So as you can see, we got this in gold. Now I want to change the border or remove some of these borders. So border color is the property name, and you can pass at most or maximum 4 values here. First one will be the top. Okay, so I want the top color, so I'll pass the current color. So current color is the value which detects what color you are providing in this styling. So current color in this styling is gold, so it will pass that gold color. Okay. Top color will be this. Next, I want right and bottom uh, to be transparent. So suppose I write transparent. So as you can see, it will remove the left and right as well. But we only want the right part. So let me add the transparent as well and current color. So as you might have noticed that first is the top, second is the right, which is transparent, third is the bottom, which is transparent, and fourth one is the left. So the left is available. So that's how you can remove or add the border color using this border color attribute. Okay. Now let's specify the border width. So 0.2 em, 0.2 em, 0 and 0. As you can see, we got this beautiful comet effect. The initially the width is a little larger, and as you go till the end of your line or the border, it gets thinner and thinner. Okay, so this is the code for that. Next I want a degree. So whenever you write two hyphens before any keyword, it CSS compiler treats it as a variable. Okay, so in this I want 45 degree, and I want the animation direction to be normal. So this will move clockwise. Okay, like this. Now let's copy this whole, paste it below, and let's target the second child. The second child's width will be 75%. Height will also be 75%. Color will be lime. Okay. Now I want it to move anti-clockwise, so I want to change some border colors. So I want the right part, so current color will be here, and I don't want the left part, so this will be transparent. Okay. So also we want to adjust the border width, so this will be 0 and the last one will be 0.2 em. Okay, so we got the second one as well. The degree here will be 135. We'll get to this part later. We're just declaring the variable here, and the animation direction will be reverse. Okay, since it is going anti-clockwise. All right. So our comet is completed. Now let's style the circle. So loader inside comet there is a class circle. So let's give it position absolute first. Okay. Width will be 100%. Width will be 50%. Height will be 0.1 em. Then what we want, let's add some left values. Left will be 50%. Top will also be 50%. Okay. Don't want any background. So background will be transparent. And I want to transform it and rotate it. Now we are going to pass that variable. Okay. So for this circle, there are actually two circles present. So that's why we have declared in both of them this hyphen degree variable. So for this circle, it will get the degree for this comet, and for this second circle, it will get the degree for the second comet. Okay. All right. Next, what is I want to transform. I want to specify the transform origin to be started from left. So this is completed. Okay, so now we want to add a little circle in front of these comets so that it would look like a comet. Okay, so inside our loader there is comet and there is circle, and I want to add something before it, that means that circle. Okay, so first position will be absolute, and top will be minus 0.5 em, right will be minus 0.5 em, content will be none because we don't want any content, width will be 1 em, height will be 1 em, background color will be current color. Okay, so as you can see, we got this square shape in front of the comet. Okay, since we pass the background color as current color, so it will go to these two comets and it will get this color. Okay, all right, I want it to be circle, so border radius will be 50%. Okay, now I want to add some border box shadow properties. So we're going to add some lightning effect or light effect behind these comets. So 0 0 horizontal and vertical alignment will be 0, and then the blur value, so initially we want 2 em. As you can see, there is some shadow. Okay, next you can add multiple type of this shadow. You just have to pass the spread value again. Okay, So if I suppose remove this, you can see the effect is spreading up to 4 em. Okay, again 006 em, again 008 em, again 0010 em. Okay, so you see the spread is now larger. All right, next I want to add some another shadow which will be 0.5 em, and then RGBA value 255 255 0, and the opacity 0.1. Okay, so this looks great. That's it for the box shadow. Now let's animate it. So in order to animate it, you have to write the keyframes keyword followed by the animation name. We have the animate as the animation name, and then you just have to pass the 2 and then transform and rotate it, one turn. Okay, and there you go, we got this beautiful Comet animation loader, and it is taking 3 seconds to complete. And after the completion, since we specify the transition as infinite, so it will keep on rotating till infinite. Looks great, right? Thanks for watching till the end, guys. I really hope you like this video, and I think you might have a little understanding on how things work in CSS. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. It would really help and encourage us to bring more valuable and creative content to you. Don't forget to check out Newton School website to learn more about them. And if you have any doubt related to this animation, comment down under the comment section. I would really be more happy to help you. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.